What's going on, guys? This is the newest and latest and greatest Osmo 2, and I'm sure you guys have already seen a lot of the press releases on it though, but I think this is something that you have to actually see in person or feel in person, because this thing is super light. All the controls are very similar to some of the other gimbals that you've seen, but there's definitely a lot of other things that they've changed on here, as far as there's no more trigger. That was one of the things I think they got rid of from the version 1. And then also they have the tight, wide and tight here on the side, and then they have, of course, the knob that adjusts here to pan up and down, and then you have your 3 modes right here on the front as well. Micro USB charging here, USB charging on the back, and what's actually pretty cool was I saw that I haven't really seen much, but when it's connected to the app and you do a triple tap on the mode, instead of it actually switching the entire gimbal around, it will just switch the camera on your phone to just switch for selfie mode. So you don't have that whole thing kind of swiveling around. You can actually see it here. If I hit 3 times, it'll now switch back to the forward facing camera, which is pretty cool. And of course, one of the bigger things that they have integrated is the ability to go from landscape to portrait. So you're able to unscrew this, turn it, and go into portrait mode, especially if you want to do a lot of Instagram or things like that, like I've talked about in my previous videos on some of the other gimbals. But biggest thing, $129 price tag, I believe. Really affordable to get into the gimbal market with your phone. Like I mentioned in my previous videos, I mean, phone video has been, is really taking off, and now this kind of gives you that added flexibility to have a lot more cinematic type of video. So there it is, guys, the Osmo 2. Make sure you check it out on the DJI website. See ya.